Hello, welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my Lexus CT200. We're changing out the sway bar end links. So before you get started, make sure you give me a thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner, and I will get started here in just a moment. This process should be the same for the Toyota Prius and pretty much all versions or years, I guess, of the Lexus CT200. Before we jack up our car, you want to go ahead and crack the lug nuts while the wheels are on the ground, just so that you can have more leverage. These nuts are here going to be a 21 millimeter nut. Go ahead and crack them loose, not all the way off. Alright, next you're going to get your floor jack, go towards the front. There is a little jack plate right down here. You can't miss it, it's a big piece of metal. There you go, that should be a much better picture right there. So that's going to be your jack point from the front. Go ahead and jack it up, and then we'll put some jack stands under, on the sides. Alright, so once you get it all jacked up, this is the setup I have. I just put on 2 jack stands as well. I did this on both sides. So to do this DIY, you definitely want to jack up the entire front end so that there's no flex on the sway bars, essentially, because that's going to be what we're replacing, the sway bar end links. Wheel off. So with the wheel off, you'll notice the sway bar end link is right here. This little post right here. I'm going to grab it. Check this out. See how I'm moving that with my hand? You should not be able to do that if they're good. So, yeah, super loose. Let's see. That looks to be, that's about a 17 millimeter socket. Be right back. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You're gonna have to get a little bit of creative here, just because it's gonna be on there pretty tight. Okay, now there's actually another nut right down here. Same size, 17 millimeter nut. Alright, well that actually came off easier than expected. Alright. I'm going to back those off. So now I'm going to go ahead and take it off. After you get the fasteners off, they should pretty much slide right off. Just comparing it to my replacement. But check this out. See that little joint right there? Look how loose this is. I'm able to do it with one hand with my thumb on both ends. See how loose that is? Here's the new one. Doesn't even move. So to reinstall, you obviously do the exact same thing but in reverse. Right up there. Check your torque settings. I'm going to wrap up the video because I'm trying to keep it short. Make sure you give me a thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.